What's going on, guys? In today's video I will share with you 5 best affiliate programs of 2021. You don't need to create your account on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo or some other networks like Digistore 24. Maybe your ClickBank account is not creating for some reasons. So you don't need to create the account. You just sign in into these 5 best affiliate program of 2021. Those are individual affiliate programs where you can, by using those affiliate programs, by promoting basically those affiliate programs, you can earn insane amount of money. So with that said, let's start the video. So the first tool is Sendinblue. This is basically an email marketing software. By using this email marketing software, you can send email autoresponder, and also you can create landing pages like that. But they have a very good affiliate program also. Here we are inside the affiliate page. You need to type Sendinblue affiliate inside the Google and you will come to this page. And here you need to join our blogger program and get in touch here, and you need to apply for the affiliate program. In my one of my videos I have shown, this is the video, and here it is. You can check this, where I have shown that 5 best pay per lead affiliate programs. And Sendinblue is basically a pay per lead affiliate program, and in this pay per lead affiliate program they will pay €5 for per lead. If you collect one email, they will pay you €5, and if afterward the lead converts, they will pay you €100 for per paying customer. I think this is an insane amount of money. And on this video I have shown, shown the all the details, and how how the payment proof is also there inside, like €285 I have earned on this affiliate program. You can check this video. This is the video here, you can check that. But how you can promote the first thing is how you can promote this Sendinblue. You can promote Sendinblue affiliate program by uh, by creating blog post. There are few methods I will discuss. The first method of creating a blog post, you can create a review on Sendinblue. Like in my inside my blog high quality lead, I have written a blog like Sendinblue versus GetResponse. GetResponse, you also know that GetResponse is also an email marketing software. So I have compared these two email marketing software, Sendinblue and GetResponse. Here I have written all the details and pros and cons, everything about these two email marketing softwares, and I have given that call to action button. So anybody who like to start with Sendinblue, they will start with Sendinblue. If somebody start with GetResponse, they will start with GetResponse. So like that way you can promote, or also you can write an individual blog post like Sendinblue review. Complete review you have to write. What is inside that review means, what will be there inside. You have to write each and everything, like why the software is good, how the software works, and what are the pros, cons, each and everything you need to include on this blog post. So this is one of the method to promote Sendinblue software or GetResponse. But in this video I am not discussing about GetResponse, I am discussing about Sendinblue. So you can also do like that. You can compare like this, and also you can compare Sendinblue by GetResponse, Sendinblue versus Aweber. This is also an email marketing software. Sendinblue versus ConvertKit. This is also an email marketing software. So you can do like that way. You can start promoting. And one thing you can also do, you can run Google Ads inside this page. This is your link. Inside this page you can run Google Ads, but there are several free methods also running to promote this software. Like you can use Facebook post. Facebook groups are the very much good platform, definitely a good platform. Facebook group, you can join some groups like email marketing group. Inside that email marketing group you can share this link, or also you can write something about email marketing, and later on you can pitch this Sendinblue software. That is a manual method. You need to spend some time on Facebook. Sorry. And also Instagram is a big platform to do that, but I like free method and as well as paid method also. So the first one, you need to create a blog, and you can run Google Ads inside those blog. Also you can use free method like Facebook group, Instagram, and also Pinterest is also a huge platform to promote these softwares. Now come to next. The next one is Uplift. What is Uplift? Uplift is an Instagram growth software. uh, I am telling you about here I am promoting Uplift right now. So I am getting a few conversions, and I have $4.75 still in my account. Those is not still payout. I just refreshing it. So just now I have started promoting it. Not that much result I got, but I got few conversions. I'm showing you this. And uh, Uplift is basically an Instagram growth software, and I'm telling you this is very much converts very much good. This is the sales page of the Uplift software. They have three plans. Like if somebody want to grow 100 followers, the cost is $9 only, and for $500 500 followers, $19, and for 1000 followers, $39. These are the costing for Uplift, and you will get 30% commission flat. But when it is 30% commission, but the thing is this software converts very much good, and as the price is low, you can convert insane amount of money you can get from this affiliate program. Just come to inside the sales page, and in the below you will get this affiliate program. Here you need to join. You click here, and you have to apply for the affiliate program, and within 1-2 days they will give you the approval, and you will, this is your the affiliate page. And you can, by the same method, you can, what I am telling for Sendinblue, you can do the same method apply for this program also. And this is the another one software, that is Kickstarter. Kickstarter is also the same software like Uplift. This also help you to grow Instagram followers. So third one is also Kickstarter. This is also an Instagram growth software. Why I included two affiliate programs of growing Instagram followers? Because these software, these affiliate programs is converting very much good. That is the reason I included here. And you can also try this software Kickstarter. This is the sales page of Kickstarter, and here it is the affiliate programs. Okay, here come, and you can also same way you join here, and they will approve you within 1 or 2 days. And these are the pricings. There are two pricing plans only. One is $49 and another is $99. And the best thing is, this is a recurring, you will get a recurring commission. If somebody come through your link and purchase something, and if for uplift also you will get the recurring commission. If somebody comes through your link and that person buy every month something, so on every purchase you will get 30% recurring commission. And for Kickstarter also you will get the same kind of recurring commission. And here you will get 50% commission, like 48.5 you will get here, and here you will get like around 24.5 dollars you will get. That is good, I think. But if you compare this Kickstarter and Uplift, Uplift converts very much good, better than Kickstarter. But if you promote the both the softwares in United States, in United States Kickstarter is very much popular. So you can try to promote those on United States. Just now I have started promoting Kickstarter. I have not got any kind of results inside the Kickstarter right now, but whenever I will get result, I will definitely show you. But for Uplift I got few results. And for Sendinblue, I have another video I have shown you. This video you check, the first video you can check. Here you will get that how I convert 285 euros inside the Sendinblue. So these are the first three softwares or the applications by using you can earn money by using those affiliate programs. The next one is ClickFunnels. If you are an affiliate marketer, you are definitely aware of ClickFunnels. This is a very good software to create landing pages, to create funnels, and there are various other words are there. For ClickFunnels also you can create first come to the ClickFunnels affiliate page. This I am inside the ClickFunnels affiliate page. This is a new account of mine. Just now I have login and this is my account. But in my opinion, you can start with one funnel away challenge. Three things you can promote. First is one funnel away challenge. There are various things you can promote inside the ClickFunnels, but I will like to promote one funnel away. First one. Traffic Secret ebook is another. This is the Traffic Secret ebook and the .coms and the Expert Secret. I am planning to promote these three. One funnel away is cost rupees $100, and the best part is the 100% they are providing 100% commission for the same. And the Traffic Secret ebook price is that I am showing you. This is the Traffic Secret ebook. This is my affiliate link. For your case, you will find the affiliate link here. And this is cost rupees around $10 only, this book. And this is very much popular book. So converting this is not at all a big deal. You can easily convert, you can easily sell this book, and you will earn $1 commission. But the best part is there are some upsells like $37, $97, $97, $397. These are the upsells. Whenever somebody purchase from your link the book, first book, the Traffic Secret book, they will purchase from your link, and any upsells comes, and if there is any upsells come, you will get the commission for the same. These are the commissions like $14.8, $38.8, $99.6. These are the commissions you will get. Okay. And the next one is one funnel away challenge. That is, I have already said you that one funnel away challenge is a 30 days training section. Russell Brunson will provide you the this training, and inside this training you will learn everything like from funnel creation to landing page creation, how to create the hooks and everything. A 30 days training program. This is very much valuable program, so you can promote this one also. And next one is Expert Secret, and I also planning to promote these three. So whenever the good results I will get, definitely I will share with you. So to do that, this I have written a blog post inside that, the 30 days challenge, one funnel away challenge, where I have mentioned everything, like what are the things you will get from the kit, that how you will learn and what are the things you will learn from this course, and what are the process and what you will learn like week 0, week 1, week 2, and what is the conclusion and everything. I have given the call to action button inside. So through this blog post I am planning to promote this. I can run ad inside this. I can promote on the free methods on Facebook groups, Instagram or Pinterest. And for Kickstarter also, uh, I have written a blog post. You can check. This is my um, link for the, I will put the description below, highqualitylead.net. This link I will put in the description below. You can check this link from there. And the last one is Fiverr. Fiverr is one of my best affiliate program, because this converts very much good, because everybody needs some services for their own. So Fiverr, this is the Fiverr page, and come and join here. Join now button, and you will provide all the details, and they will approve your account, and you can start promoting. This is the page where I have started promoting a few days back, and I got one conversion only. I'm not that much working on this, but you can, I'm refreshing it for you. 30 days. Here it is. I got one $30 commission, and I got some registrations also. So I hope I'll get more conversion, and I'm trying to convert it. I'm promoting it right now. And this is the page. I have blog post I have written about the Fiverr, where I have written 27 best freelancing services on Fiverr. Here what I have done, I have done 27 best services what Fiverr is providing, and I have given all the links, all the 27 links inside this. You can see that 27 links I have provided. I am running Google ad inside this page, and also I am doing it on free methods, so you can also do the same. So these are the 5 best affiliate programs of 2021. So you can also try this affiliate program. So you can I am sure that you can earn a good amount of money by promoting these affiliate programs. So that's all about today, and if you like this video, definitely hit the like button, and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification, because whenever I publish a new video, you will be get notified instantly. So that's all about today. So I feel that this video will be helpful for you. So try this, and definitely comment in the comment section if you have any questions. So bye bye. Thank you.